Hi guys, welcome to the Spice Lab. Today I'll be showing you how to make Sheera, also known as sooji ka halwa, which is a thick and fudgy like sweet made in variety of flavors with the base ingredient being semolina, also known as Rawa. So I'll be showing you two types of Sheeras today. One is the rose Sheera and the chocolate Sheera. So we begin with the rose Sheera first. The ingredients that you would require is Rawa, ghee, sugar, water, rose syrup, cashews and raisins. So heat your ghee in the pan and add in your cashews and raisins and fry it lightly. Do not burn it or brown it a lot. Once it's lightly fried, remove it from the pan and keep it aside. Now add the rawa and roast it on medium-high flame, stirring it continuously for about 5 minutes. Do not let it brown or burn. Once the rawa is roasted, add in your rose syrup and mix it all well with the rawa, stirring it continuously. Also add in your hot water and your sugar and keep stirring this mixture well till all combined. Now the mixture will start getting thicker and thicker. Keep stirring it. If required, add more water. Cover it and let it cook well for about 5 minutes on low flame. Once cooked well, turn off the heat, add in the cashews and raisins and stir it in well. The Sheera is now ready. Relish it while it is warm. Now we will begin with the chocolate Sheera. The ingredients required for the chocolate Sheera will be rawa, ghee, cocoa powder, dark chocolate, milk, sugar, hot water and almonds. So we'll start with the chocolate mixture. In a saucepan, combine milk and water along with the sugar and cocoa powder on medium flame for about 4 minutes, stirring it continuously. Do not let the cocoa powder burn. Once the cocoa powder and the sugar has melted, turn off the heat and add the dark chocolate to the milk and cocoa powder mixture. With a whisker, you can whisk it or you can just stir it with the spoon and let the chocolate melt in the hot milk. Now you can keep this aside. Heat ghee in a pan in which you are going to make the Sheera. So firstly, you will need to fry the almonds lightly. Once it's fried, remove it from the pan and keep it aside. Now add the semolina and roast it on a medium flame, stirring every 20 seconds. Do not burn the semolina or do not let it turn brown. Now add the chocolate mix and stir it continuously. Close it and let it cook for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you'll see that the mixture has turned thick and fudgy. Stir it one last time and turn off the heat. Now add in the almonds and serve the chocolate Sheera warm. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe for more amazing recipes. Thank you.